My Electronics 128 project is a wireless power transmission system. Much like a radio, we're going to be tuning two antennas to a certain field, except unlike a radio where we tune to the E field, we tune to the B field. The B field is generated by time-varying current in our loops, and given certain parameters, only the loop with the given resonance will pick it up. So we have a giant air core transformer, hence wireless power transmission. To achieve resonance, the first thing we need is a good signal. Now, a good signal, we're probably going to get it from a function generator, where we'll set the frequency to whatever resonance we're hoping to send our signal through. That signal is going to come out through a coax. Once we have an alternating signal, we send it through a common emitter that will amplify the function by however many times it can fit inside the voltage that we send it. Using a common emitter, we create a quiescent voltage. We want to be at about the middle of our 40 volts in this case. So right around here we're going to have 20 volts created based on the resistors we have top and bottom. And because we're going to be matching through a transistor our signal, we're going to be able to multiply it by the ratio of the resistors. At the output, we'll get a signal with a 1 volt alternating signal that is 20 times larger. At this stage, we're ready for the assembly of our circuit. We'll need a function generator capable of going all the way up to around 5 megahertz and a 40 volt or 45 volt DC power supply. On our circuit board, we'll add transistors, capacitors, resistors to build the circuit that we designed, the common emitter. Then we'll run our signal all the way to a loop of wire, or to several loops of wire, depending on the sort of inductance that we're going to be looking to create, or to some antenna. And we're going to ground the bottom of the antenna, and we're going to send a signal in the top one. This antenna is going to be our transmitter coil, and then our receiver coil is supposed to pick up the following signal, pending that we're tuning to the right signal. Our receiver will have capacitors, and it'll have its own inductance attached to the other stray effects of the elements we'll attach to it. In our case, we're adding a diode, an LED, and it has a tendency to shift the frequency of the circuit down. Let's see how it goes.
45 volts, 4,500 hertz. Is that right?
4.5 megahertz.
Oh, 4.5 megahertz. All right. Yeah, that's right. And then hold this.